Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's Blossoming Jasmine and I'm so excited to share with you my grind gear that I purchased from Eric Thomas and Associates. I'm really into their programs right now. I'm a part of their Breathe University, so I went ahead and invested in their grind gear. So I purchased the 120 series and it's a hat, a sweatshirt, and a shirt. I feel like on the podcast they were really like hyping up how they were working on the overall fabrics and materials and the packaging. I do think that they did an amazing job in each of those areas. Let's start with the fabric. On the hat, I do think that the hat has a very nice fabric. Even though it looks white, it's more like an off-white. But I'm going to be blinging out the 120, so I'm very, very excited about that in the future. The shirt is nice as well as the sweatshirt. I think like the sweatshirt has a very good texture on the inside of it. I feel like the packaging was like almost kind of difficult to open. That joint is in there. So it's very professional. I think they did a great job when it came to packaging their items. So as you can see, it says 120 to the day I die on the wrist area, and then in the front it says 120, and on the back it has Eric Thomas's logo. So this is the fabric that they were talking about, and I can agree that it is soft. So that's a sweatshirt, and I'm just going to briefly show you the last item, which is a t-shirt. As a female, I kind of expected that these shirts would be too big, but it actually fits me well, and I'm a size 2. Like I'm small, medium. So I feel like they did a great job with the sizing, with the fabric, the packaging. I'm super proud, and I hope this inspires you to purchase as well. See you ladies. Have an amazing day. See you. Bye.